my name is Blake. I'm with GasRatz Customs, and we're here at the Aldan American Shock Lab, and we're talking about our 74 C10. So originally we were looking for any type of C10. We were looking older. We liked even the late 50s ones, but we just couldn't find one at a decent price. And we find this one at a killer price, and it was a great project for us to start adding killer parts to. Everything we add to this truck just makes it so much better. We like working on it, and it turns a lot of heads. There's something about a square body that makes everyone happy. So when we first got this truck, the suspension was so worn out, it wouldn't stay in its own lane. The A-arms were super worn out, they were bent, and they were also scraped from being so low. So one of the main reasons we partnered with Aldan was because we have our 62 Mercury Meteor. It's kind of a rare car, you don't see a lot of them on the road, but Aldan was able to work with us and make sure we could get our Meteor hooked up with some suspension. Being partners with them, we were able to feel the love, and we decided that it's best to do it on the truck as well. We like the ride quality. It's much safer than any stock suspension that came on these cars, and we really enjoy just being part of the Aldan family. So after hooking up with Aldan, we contacted Mobile Tech Lucky and from Lucky's Garage, and he helped us big time on getting this truck ready. After that, we went ahead and did vintage air, and we used the Dirty Dingo front kit, and it bolted up with the vintage air, and everything's so smooth, it keeps the car nice and cool. We did inner fenders from Auto Metal Direct, and we did a hood as well. And there's not pieces flying off it when we come down the road. So the truck is your basic LS swap, an LM7 with the 4L60 behind it. It's running stock torque converter. It's got a Brian Tooley cam in it. Lucky pushed us to get the Holley stuff. We did Holley everything on this truck. Holley ECU, Holley digital analog gauges that plug directly into the ECU, and we did a Holley throttle body as well. And this truck runs so great. It's still a work in progress. But after this, we're gonna go get the hood painted, and we're gonna start our install of our Boyd welding gas tank. And after that, I think we're gonna run a Hooker exhaust manifold setup, the one that comes back to the front where you can slap the turbo on. So we're gonna be reaching out to our friends and trying to turbo this truck. Our truck's super rad. It's gonna be a long bed forever. It's gonna stay a long bed. We have pride in this long bed. It's old school. That's how it came, and that's how it's gonna stay. So GasRatz is just a friend group. We got together in the beginning, and that's how it started. And then it turned into all of us wrenching on different rides. And we have a whole bunch of friends who have really cool cars. So it's just about being in the car scene, living in California, driving your car every weekend, and wrenching on your own stuff. GasRatz has always been that way, and it's never going to change. It's always going to be jack stands in the driveway kind of stuff. So we really enjoy it, and it's a good thing, and we're excited to see what's next. First of all, I want to thank Aldan American for having us out at their Shock Lab. It's amazing being here, and it's amazing being part of the Aldan family. So we're just stoked, and we're looking forward to see what the future looks like. Another big shout out we want to give to Lucky Costa. He's been a huge help, and he's been pushing us harder and harder to do amazing stuff with this truck. If you're looking for coilover shocks, make sure you check out aldanamerican.com.